for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020
Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.